Welcome to Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park, the heart of London's 2012 Olympic and Paralympic Games. We're beginning our tour at the ArcelorMittal Orbit, Britain's tallest sculpture, offering spectacular views across the park and the London skyline. On our left is the London Stadium, built for the 2012 Olympics and now home to West Ham United. The venue continues to host major sporting events, concerts and international competitions throughout the year. Ahead is the Aquatics Centre, designed by the legendary architect Zaha Hadid. Its distinctive wave-shaped roof became one of the most recognisable images of the London Games. We're now entering East Bank, London's newest cultural quarter. This area brings together leading institutions dedicated to arts, education, innovation and creativity. This is the Copper Box Arena, known as the Box That Rocks. Originally built for Olympic handball, it remains one of the busiest sports and entertainment venues in the capital. We're now passing the former Olympic Village, which housed thousands of athletes during the Games. Today it has been transformed into a vibrant residential community and forms an important part of the Olympic legacy. One of the park's most iconic buildings is the Velodrome. Famous for its elegant design and world-class cycling facilities, it remains a favourite destination for both professional and amateur riders. Just ahead is the Valley Hockey and Tennis Centre, another venue that continues to serve both elite athletes and local communities. The tennis courts provide excellent facilities for players of all ages and abilities, helping keep the Olympic spirit alive through grassroots sport. Beyond the main venues, you'll find mountain bike trails and outdoor activity areas, giving visitors even more ways to enjoy the park. What makes Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park truly special is the balance between sport, culture and nature. Wetlands, gardens and walking paths create a green oasis in the heart of East London, attracting wildlife and visitors alike. More than a decade after the Games, the Olympic legacy continues to thrive, transforming this once industrial area into one of London's most exciting destinations. Thank you for joining this tour of Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park.